What's going on today? Happy Sunday, football Sunday. I bring y'all the unboxing of a new member to the family, my DELTON LIMA 5.56 AR pistol. Yes sir, I've already started some modifications to it. It has a 7.5 barrel on it. As you can see, right now I just have about 3-4 boxes of tool ammo and 223. I'm looking for 5.56 ammo. It comes with one magazine, but I bought an extra magazine. It comes with the gray mag, and I bought another mag. And also it comes with, the lock and box also. But basically, I've added this cvlife reflex red-green dot on it. I've added my angle foregrip on it. It has it comes with like a M-lock style handguard on it, so I added an extra Picatinny rail so I can put that on. So far that's what I've added so far to it. Today I got in I wanted a 20 round mag just to see how it would be. I'm planning on putting, if I could find some 5.56 rounds, just keep 5.56 in this 20 round mag instead of 223. But I actually got this mag from Midway USA. It's an AR Stoner mag, 223, 5.56. You can take 300 blackout. So far 3 mags for it. And then I also ordered the AR pistol stabilizer. I think it's the Strike Industries one. So I'm about to put this on. I also got this from Midway USA. I think it was about 37 bucks. The mag was probably about 12 bucks. Shipping all together is probably about 50 bucks total. So it comes standard with just the buffer tube, so I'm gonna place this on a buffer tube. After this modification, I really don't plan on putting anything else on it. Maybe a flashlight on the other side, on one of the sides. I have some extra Picatinny rails I can add to it, so I just probably plan on putting like a flashlight on it. But other than that, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do with it. I haven't took it out to the range yet. I plan on taking it out to the range in about a week or so, just to see how it functions. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned and look for my next video.